I choose to take my MBA at ESCP Europe because I do think that they have this opening to Europe that I really am interested in. I'm working actually for an American company, but we are very close to Europe, and for me it was interesting to build the networking with all the French, German, Italian, the 24 nationalities in fact that we have in this executive MBA.
Actually, I applied to business schools in US and Europe, and five schools I remember. But the reason why I chose here is the ESCP Europe is really diversified.
I chose to take my MBA at the ESCP Europe because, well, for different reasons. First of it, because of the international fame and the international dimension of this school, especially with the 5 campuses in 5 different countries. Also because there was a variety of participants in terms of age, background, industry, positions.
The key priorities were probably the network, the reputation of the ESCP Europe as a school.
The reputation of ESCP is one of the top schools in the world. I wanted to have a degree from a prestigious school, and in fact I was still in New York when I had almost gotten the approval to go with another Ivy League school in the US, and then I had the transfer to Europe. So I was looking around for which is the best school that I could go to, and ESCP was certainly on top of the list.
Well, I think the main takeaway is definitely confidence. I think the program really helped me to assess what I knew and what I didn't know.
I met people during the MBA, both co-students who are successful entrepreneurs, and then I met people who lectured us, who started their companies when they were 27 or 8, knew a lot less about business than what I know now after the MBA, and were able to start from nothing and turn the companies into multi-million successes. So now I have the confidence to say that I have a choice in the long-term future, whether to continue in a corporate environment or whether I can actually start my own company somewhere down the line, and I have this confidence. This is my takeaway.
Yes, definitely yes. I was recommended the program by my previous boss, and I really appreciate it, and I will for sure push my team to do it, and also some friends, yeah.
I would recommend it to everyone, but especially to people in India and other parts not coming from the European Union, because it gives you a very good perspective of the different countries here. And I think there's a lot of things that we can learn from you. Having had success much prior to what we have in India, we are just emerging, as you just used the word. So I think there's a heap of experience, knowledge that we can learn from this.
I would recommend the program strongly.
Definitely recommend the program, the ESCP Europe, the Executive MBA, because of what I've mentioned before, which is it enables really to have a highly educated people and people coming from different backgrounds, so very rich environment, very smart people coming with lots of different experiences. The content is great, you really get out with a greater toolbox and much more ready and able to especially face the current environment that is harder, it's getting harder and harder. And really this is extremely nice people, very, very friendly staff, very helpful. Magical campuses, this is a great asset as well. So I would really definitely encourage people to enroll to this Executive European MBA at ESCP Europe.